have two companies and two profit and loss statements, you can still compare them. I know the numbers are very different. एक का revenue 1000 crore है, एक का revenue 500 crore है, बाकी सारे numbers भी अलग है, but still you can analyze them. Very simple to do it. Let's find out. So now the method is called common sizing, wherein what you do is your revenue becomes the base and आप सारे numbers को उस base amount से divide करते हो so that you guys get a percentage. For example, your cost of goods sold might be 30% of the revenue. Your advertising expense might be 10% of your revenue. Similarly, you get all the numbers in percentage form. Basically, you are bringing both the profit and loss statements to a common size so that you can compare them. This exact method can be done on balance sheets as well. Now, what is the benefit to use? You can find out the capital structure, asset diversification. You can also find out where is the company spending most of its revenue, what is that one expense where the company is using most of its cash, what kind of margins is the company generating, what are the different sources of generating revenue, and so much more. So if you know just one trick which is extremely easy, you will be sorted for your financial analysis.